Students of class 10th English literature, today in our lecture 4 English version lecture, we will study part 4 of Socrates, that is written by Rhoda Parr. Students, before we start studying this, let's have a little information about lecture number 3. In lecture number 3, we came to know how Socrates was loved by many people and by his followers, but there were some who didn't approve Socrates. That's why he was summoned to the court. And what happened to him? Now let's understand in this lecture number 4. I gave title courtroom to this lecture number 4 so that you may understand everything, because this part can be seen with all happenings in the courtroom. The judges listened to him. In this lecture number 4, the judges, Socrates is in the court, and in the court he was before the judges, and there was a trial on him. The judges listened to him, means there was a questioning with Socrates, and Socrates was giving them answers and condemned him to death. And after asking many questions and considering all the activities of Socrates, he was condemned to death. Condemned to death means he was given death punishment. The old man made no complaint, means Socrates made no complaint. He agreed to what the judges said. He leaned on his stick, looking round the crowded courtroom, means when it happened, the courtroom was full of people. Everybody was standing there and observing the trial. He was leaning means bowing on his stick. He was seizing his stick. He was grasping his stick in the court. Plato and his other pupils were there in the court all the time. You know, whenever such thing happens, a lover of a person who is being who is standing in the trial, they stand there to support him. So were Plato and other pupils there. Plato and his other pupils were there in the court all the time, means they were with Socrates during this trial and during this time of court with Socrates. No evil can happen to a good man. Socrates, he told them, he means Socrates. Socrates told his pupils and his followers that if a person is good, nothing bad can happen with him. It means no evil means evil means anything that is faced by a person in bad sense. It means if a person is good, nothing bad will happen with him. It means everything will be good with him, either in life or after death, means whether the person is alive and is in this world or after that. After death means there will be no bad, there will be no any bad happening with him. So be of good cheer. So be good of cheer means so be always happy. I have to go means the time of my departure has arrived. The hour of my departure has arrived, and we go our ways. I have to go means I am going to the another world. The hour of my departure has arrived. The hour of my departure has arrived means that I am going to the another world, means I am going to die. And we go our ways. Everybody has his way to go. In this way we have two different ways. I to die, I mean Socrates. Socrates says that I am going to die, my death is approaching, and you to live means you will remain alive. Our different future, our different luck is waiting for us. Then after this the soldiers came and took him away to prison, means after this discussion there was no permission to discuss with his followers and lovers. So the soldiers took Socrates with them to prison. His wife followed him with his 3 children means his wife was there with Socrates even when he was sent to prison. Many of his pupils were also with him, means dear students, dear followers were with Socrates even at this time when he was in prison. For a long time they talked to him, means out of the court when he was in prison they talked to Socrates, and while talking Socrates taught them many wise lessons, means Socrates told them many wise lessons. Many wise lessons means Socrates give them some lessons of wisdom to those pupils, you can say in modern English students. Those disciples were at this time with Socrates, and these lessons were treasured by them in their hearts. I mean, which they treasured in their hearts. Those people kept those teachings safe with love in their hearts. It means they saved every word uttered by Socrates. But all the time his friends knew that Socrates would die soon. But everybody was sad, thinking that Socrates was going to die and he will be no more. They were sad, everybody was sad there, for as Plato wrote, means the dearest pupil or one of the pupils of Socrates, Plato wrote in his book, he was like a father of whom he refers to Socrates. Socrates was just like a father of all those people standing there in the court, in the prison, and without him we were being bereaved, means we were going to pass our life with sadness. Bereaved means weeping and wailing and sadness, and we were about to pass the rest means the remaining of our lives as orphans. And Plato wrote that their life without Socrates was going to pass like orphans, means like the children of without father. Student, this was the impact of Socrates on the people, and we will come to know what happened to Socrates after this trial and imprisonment in lecture number 5. Students, if you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe your channel Oracy Classes of English Language, and keep watching all the videos and get yourself updated in English grammar and literature. Thanks.